Welcome. If you wanna add printer to your Xiaomi Black Shark 2, let's click on the settings, tap on the connected devices. Right now we have to tap on the connection preferences, enter the printing, and we can go for a default print service. And right now our smartphone is looking for the printer, and in our office we got the HP Color LaserJet Pro. And also, if you have a problem and your smartphone cannot find it, you have to tap on the add service. And for example, if you are using the brother printer, you have to click on this plugin and just click on install, and right now you will easily find your printer. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.